Hey, here's Arno from Stock Yourself, and we're gonna take a look at ways to reach true money and to build true money, to build wealth. And how do we do that? How do we do that? By removing the limits, removing the limiting belief that are here so that we cannot see the wealth here and we cannot see the wealth here. So if we do that, then we have the wealth here and we're like, oh, I've been wealthy for all those years. This is the point. So the next belief to take a look at is I'm too busy to focus on wealth creation. What to say? If you're watching this, you aren't too busy, so just do it.